In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your mouse pointer in Microsoft Windows. Now, why do you want to change your mouse pointer? This video is for those who make video tutorials by recording their computer screen. It is also for those who do PowerPoint presentations. So if you want to make video tutorials by recording your computer screen, you may want to increase the size of your mouse pointer so that viewers of your videos will be able to see and follow the mouse whilst you do your clicks. And also those who do PowerPoint presentation, to help them match when they are pointing using the mouse pointer. So if you want to learn how to increase the size of your mouse pointer, keep watching. Hello guys, this is Sadiq here at Online Office Teacher, where I help you manage your data and information through online video just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video. So to increase the size of my mouse pointer, I go over to search and I enter mouse settings. So I click on the best match here, mouse settings. So under mouse settings, I go over to adjust mouse and cursor size. Click on it. Under change pointer size, I click and drag to whatever number I want. Let's say if I want it to be 3, you see that the size of my pointer has increased. I can increase it further by clicking any location. You see that. So this is how I can increase it. Let me make it 5. And I can also change the color. Currently this is the default one. I can make it thick black or transparent pointer. So with this, when I point on objects, you see I have some kind of transparent mouse pointer. I can also use colored, and I can choose whatever color I want from the color palette down here. So I'll stick to the white one with 0.5, and that's it. So I click on close. So my mouse pointer is now big like I want it. So this is it on how to increase the size of your mouse pointer in Microsoft Windows. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching and we will talk soon.